Today we will be making cold brew coffee with the Hario Cold Brew Bottle. This is one of the best tools for making iced coffee. You will need Hario Cold Brew Bottle, some coffee, water, a scale, and a grinder. Let's get started. Grind 68 grams on a coarse setting. The grind should be the size of salt, similar to what is used in cafetières. Remove the silicone bottle top from the glass base. Then remove the filter. Open the filter case and add the ground coffee. Put the lid back on the filter case and then lock the filter case inside the silicone bottle top. Now fill the glass base up with water. The bottle has 3 small gray squares along the side. The water should come up to the top square. This equals to about 750 grams. Then remove the silicone cork and gently lower the filter into the bottle, letting the water to pass into the ground coffee. Gently attach the silicone top of the glass base and replace the silicone cork. Shake gently to allow the coffee to mix with the water and let it sit at room temperature for up to 18 hours. After 18 hours, gently shake the bottle to stir the coffee. Remove the silicone top from the bottle and dispose of the used grounds. Replace the silicone top back onto the glass base. Your coffee is now ready to enjoy. Your cold brew will stay fresh in the bottle for up to 7 days if kept in the fridge. Pour over ice and enjoy.